guess it's like
Here's the cookies. I want the bag. Yeah. Oh, who's that? I hear some babies, Dada. Dada.
what is it?
Dada! Here's a doorbell. I can hear the doorbell ring. Dada, Dada, we open the door with Mama. Bag.
Not yet. Like Casey and Rachel. Ah, meron na yatong chocolate chip ito.
Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip.
Ilang pounds ang?
Ilang
A sippy.
Ilang ons ang?
Choppy, choppy.
1/2 cup
Yes, go.
1/2?
butter.
Go,
Cup.
We're going to melt the butter.
So it's going to get hot. I'm going to start baking.
You're going to start baking?
Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Are you just the dishes or mess up? Now let's mix together. Baby, baby, baby. Bake together. Bake together. Bake together.
Yeah, hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And what are we doing today, Mommy? We are going to bake. What are we going to bake?
Cookies.
Cookie. What type of cookies?
Hot chocolate.
Chocolate chip,
Not strawberry.
not strawberry. Okay. We're going to.
Strawberry.
You don't like strawberry. Okay.
Strawberry donut only.
Strawberry donut, you like it. But strawberry cookies, you don't like it.
Chocolate.
Chocolate only. Okay. So, what do we need to do first?
Put it out on the ball. Here's a mountain.
You like a mountain?
Sticky but cookie.
Steady.
Other stuff.
You touch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what do we need to put next? Butter. Okay, put in the butter.
Wow.
Okay. Next.
Egg.
And then,
Thank you so much. Wow.
then what do you do next? What do you do next?
Mix.
Mix them
Like
together.
Olivia.
Okay, like Olivia. Okay.
Oh.
Mix them together. Oh yeah, there are chocolate chips already. We need to put some more.
Oh, I can see the butter.
You can see the butter. What else can you see? Oh, don't touching on it! You're covering Bobby's knees. What did I try?
Wow, it's big mix.
too hard. I'll help you, okay?
Yeah, I did it. I did it. Mama was there.
What? Okay. What's that?
Cookies are done.
The cookies are done. What cookies are they?
Chocolate.
Chocolate with
Chocolate toppings.
chocolate toppings, chocolate chips. Are they good? Did you taste it already?
Yeah.
And it's good. Can you see? Take a bite. Okay, say bye now.
I'm eating now.
I'm eating now. Okay, bye.
So crunchy.
It's crunchy?
So here's my other cookie.
Like your other. What other cookie?
The other one.
What's that?
Here's the bite.
Ah, the one that Dada bought for you. Okay.
It's Dada's now.
It's Dada's now. Okay. Alright, say bye.
Bye.